Barack Obama on American Success Story. Barack Obama is my favorite person in the world. He is a man who has been persevering regardless of race discrimination. I can get to be the president of a country as important as the United States, a great human being with a great vocation as president, where he played a very important role in the presidency and bless his smart, he liked to help people and share regardless of his social background, a great father and husband, an example to follow. Barack Hussein Obama Jr. was born in Honolulu, Hawaii on August 4, 1961. He is the first African American to be president of the United States, but until this victory his life had not always been easy. Their names are not in the newspaper, but every day they work hard and take care of their family. Model students. He was a successful student at age 19, went to study political science at Columbia University in New York, hard working, and the nation began to cut out a brilliant career. Upon completion, studied law at Harvard University, graduating cum laude, precisely to university. He found the first milestone of the many that would come in his career, to be the first African American to preside over the prestigious law magazine Harvard Law Review. Michelle appears the road of her life. It is impossible to separate the main life of the Democrat from the figure of Michelle, his wife. Today he has a happy marriage, and they had two daughters, Malia and Sasha, whom he loved. And the family is one of the pillars of the man who, despite the harness of an electoral campaign, has always wanted to be very close to his three women. Precisely to them he wanted to dedicate his triumph. Close and human. In addition, Obama is very careful with his image of the sea, that of simple man worker, a father of a family with the same corner as other Americans. He loves basketball and spending time with his daughter, for one he always showed great affection.